Hello everyone, I am Dr. Sirajul Faizi. I welcome you in my YouTube channel. Today in this video, I am going to talk about microwave assisted hydrolysis of benzamide. This is a very important particle for MSc and BSc. The aim of this experiment to perform hydrolysis of benzamide by using microwave irradiation technique. You can see here the equations. Benzamide undergo microwave assisted synthesis, 20% sulfuric acid, it converted into benzoic acid. So look at the structure of benzamide and a structure of benzoic acid. What is the principle? Microwave, normally have wavelength between 1 centimeter and 1 meter. Frequency of 30 to 300 gigahertz. Microwave irradiations induces specific interactions between materials and waves of electromagnetic nature assimilated to dielectric heating. In electromagnetic spectrum, the microwave radiation is located between IR and radio wave radiation. Telecommunication and microwave radar equipment occurs in many of the band frequencies in these regions. In order to avoid interference with these systems, the household and industrial microwave ovens operate at fixed frequency of 2.4 GHz. The energy 0.3 calorie per mole from E is equal to electron volt, means E is equal to h nu. What chemical required for this experiment? Benzamide 2 gram and 20% sulfuric acid 10 ml unit. What apparatus is required for performing these experiments? Simply, you need glass beaker, glass rod, and it works on the principle of microwave assisted synthesis. What is the procedure? You have to follow the procedure like a mixture of benzamide and 20% sulfuric acid are taken in a 150 milliliter glass beaker, then placed in a microwave oven and heated for 10 minutes. After cooling, the reaction mixture is made basic with dilute sodium hydroxide. A white colored product of benzoic acid is formed. The formed benzoic acid was checked by its solubility test and melting point. The literature value of melting point is 121 to 123 degrees Celsius. So you can take the references for this material: Practical Organic Chemistry by Raman and Saunders, Comprehensive Organic Chemistry by Vikal Walia and Agarwal, Textbook of Practical Organic Chemistry by Vogel, and many more. So my friends, I hope this video will be helpful to you. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching.